इतनी पिटाई, इतनी पिटाई, प्लीज आउट कर दो यार इसको, प्लीज। Oh, I hate this. My God, DK, what a player. Ready to watch RCB's match? Ready? Let's go. 3 overs 31 runs. अभी मैंने ऑन किया तो कौन पिट गया भाई? Hello and welcome to Cricket Flavors everyone. We're going to watch the match between RCB and SRH. Yes, the team that broke RCB's long-standing record of the highest total ever in IPL. But we're going to watch it with a little bit of tadka, little bit of masala and बहुत सारा मजा. Hopefully आज मजा ही आएगा, हम RCB fans को रोना नहीं पड़ेगा. Let's see. This head, I swear. I'm telling you, he was instrumental in the victory against India in the finals, and he's going to be instrumental for Australia in the World Cup T20 also. There has to be a way that he can be gotten out. The last over, we had 4 dots, and now suddenly Ferguson has been hit for 2 consecutive sixes. Story of RCB's bowlers and their leaking runs. Lockie Ferguson's first over has gone for 18 runs, 2 sixes, 1 fours to Travis Head. जख्मों पे नमक लगाने ऑस्ट्रेलिया का झंडा लेके उनका फैन. ओ कम ऑन यार, कोई कैच भी हमेशा इट फॉल शॉर्ट या ड्रॉप हो जाता है, लगता है रोने ही वाले हैं. Travis Head has just got his 50 inside the path lane in just 20 balls. 20 runs in the last over of the power play. 76 the Sunrisers are for no loss at the end of 6 overs. ये कार्नेज अगर ऐसे ही चलने वाला है तो लगता है मैच बंद ही करना बेटर रहेगा, वरना ट्रेविस हेड तो हेडेक दे रहा है. इतनी पिटाई और SRH तो अपने उसी मूड में लग रहा है, द हाईएस्ट टोटल वाले मूड में. ये 7.3105 फॉर नो लॉस. ट्रेविस हेड तो मार ही रहा था, अभी अभिषेक भी मार रहा है. कोई बॉलर नहीं है जो नहीं पिटा. बादशाह आया और पहली बॉल पे 6. कभी बॉल कैरी नहीं करती है, कभी ड्रॉप हो जाता है कैच. इट्स जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग यार. इस बार ना लक है ना बॉलर्स है. ओ थैंक गॉड, टोपली जस्ट टुक अ विकेट. अभिषेक आउट हो गया. थैंक गॉड. नॉट मार्करम बट क्लासन हैज कम. लगता है नेक्स्ट हाईएस्ट स्कोर या आरसीबी को ही लगाएंगे. ये ट्रेविस हेड तो मारे जा रहा है. 85 इन जस्ट 32 बॉल. सेंचुरी तो मार ही देगा लग रहा है. प्लीज आउट कर दो यार इसको, प्लीज. At the halfway mark, it's 128 for 1. This year, I'm pretty sure is not our year. We have to wait for the mega auctions and see what can be done, if anything at all. Get a better team, try again next year, but this year is gone for sure. Travis Head scored a century in just 39 balls. And of course, it had to be against RCB. Finally, Head is gone, but not before having scored 102 runs. Imagine अगर ये लोग score 200 तक पहुंचा देंगे before the 16th over or till the 16th over, तो वो last के 4 slog overs में क्या होने वाला है. Not one RCB bowler knows how to ball यार. छक्के लगवाते हैं या वाइडे देते हैं. What is the use? Oh, this is ridiculous यार. Ridiculous. Please don't support RCB. I'm also 50 for Klassen. उसकी भी 50 बन गई. End of the 16th over, it's 217. Over the roof, that 6 went. Over the roof. Klassen आउट हो गया. वाइड फुल टॉस और उसके ऊपर क्लासन आउट हो गया. तो फिर खराब बॉलिंग ही करो. पहले को अच्छी नहीं कर रहे हो. मार्करम गॉट आउट. वाइड फुल टॉस अगेन. भाई वाइड फुल टॉस ही मारो यार, आउट करो. Was a no ball, as I'm sure you heard the sirens. So Markram is not out. Nothing goes RCB's way. मतलब क्या तुमको बॉलिंग नहीं आती है क्या? तुम क्या किस टाइप के बॉलर हो यार? तुम मतलब अपनी कंट्रीज के लिए तो इतना बढ़िया खेलते हो, यहाँ पे आके क्या हो गया तुमको यार? Why are you the worst bowlers in the history of IPL? प्लीज अपना खुद का 277 का रिकॉर्ड तो तोड़ेगा ही ये SRH. और 6 तो होने से रहा ये. Oh, I hate this. 287 runs. That's what RCB have to chase to win this match. Easy. SRH have broken their own record by 10 runs. अब देखते हैं बैटिंग में क्या गुल खिलाते हैं. But I just hope Kohli gets a good score. So far so good. 39 for no loss at the end of 3 overs. Both Kohli and Faf du Plessis are doing well. I don't want to jinx it. Okay, 17 runs in the last over. That's the 4th over. 56 for no loss. I seriously wish thoda kam hota na ye total, so I would have won. 70 at the end of 5 overs. And now it's Pat Cummins for the last over of the power play. तो जोर से मारो यार, दोनों वेकेंट ऐड करते हो क्या? पावर ही नहीं है, चौके की जगह छक्के लगाने हैं. 79 at the end of the power play. The last over of Pat Cummins was a little less. Look, I have no hope. I'm pretty sure that we're not winning this one. But I would like to see some good batting from these guys, and not to mention to take it as close as possible and to make it a fighting one. It was only a matter of time, and that's why I'm not that disappointed. Kohli is out. Bowled him. Spinner came and got the wicket of Kohli. Kohli disappointed, but he did well. At least nobody will scream that nonsense of him scoring at a lesser strike rate and all that. I mean, look at him, yaar. He's doing his best. There are certain ways of getting out that I think should not be allowed only in cricket. One is man-cattling and the other is this. I mean, the batsman is not even on the strike, yaar, and you just touch the ball and it goes to hit the stumps and the guy is out. It's just not fair. It's not right. The 8th over. So after the end of 8 overs, it's 100 for 2. Patidar bhi chala gaya, but Faf is still going strong. Hit a 4 and 6 to Cummins just now, and he just got out. It's all over. I knew it. They are collapsing. Saurav gone for a duck. First ball, Pat Cummins. Lomror just giving it a little bit of a fight. He hit 2 consecutive sixes to Markanday. 140 runs in 45 balls, extremely ungettable, but just try to get close to it. Show some batting prowess. That will be good for the future matches. Although yes, after this loss, we will definitely be more or less out of the running of the playoffs. But still, at least the run rate wouldn't be so bad, right? 6 by DK brings up the 50 partnership between Lomror and him. This over has already gone for 16 runs with 2 fours and 1 six. Cummins आ गया और Lomror का wicket ले लिया. 181 for 6. My God, DK, what a player. When all hope is lost, trust DK to be the shining light, be the ray of hope. Look, it's still pretty impossible. 13 balls, 59 runs. But if anybody can, he can. And so the heroic knock of DK comes to an end. 83 of 35 balls. 244 for 7 RCB, all thanks to DK. We have 1.1 overs left. There is no chance of winning, but we've gone so close to the total, all thanks to DK again. Once again, RCB loses, and once again, it's the fault of the bowlers because the batters have done their job. They've taken the total up to 262, that's quite a lot, and they have still lost by 25 runs, all thanks to the bad bowling by the RCB, who conceded that kind of runs, got that total up for our SRH, and so we ended up losing despite some heroic knocks, especially by DK. He is one player who should definitely be retained in the next IPL auction should he want to play on. For that matter, Rohit Sharma's word should come true and he should actually be taken to the T20 World Cup. End that debate about the wicketkeeper and take DK. So from here on, RCB's run in this IPL looks very difficult. Let's see how it goes for them. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.